The European Union and drug makers pledged to invest 280 million euros in Ebola research, with the lion's share going to the testing and manufacturing of potential vaccines. Malu Francisco from the Netherlands reports.
The European Union has stepped up its response to the Ebola crisis in West Africa. The EU and its member states have now pledged more than 1 billion euros to carry out its program against the epidemic. The EU has begun its biggest single operation of transporting supplies to the affected countries of Guinea, Liberia, and Sierra Leone. From the Netherlands, a Dutch ship sailed Thursday loaded with ambulances, mobile hospitals, laboratories, and other equipment. The cargo came from some member states and the UNICEF. Airplanes were also sent by Luxembourg, the first member state to commit an aircraft for medical evacuation of international aid workers. European Commissioner for Humanitarian Aid and Crisis Management and appointed Ebola coordinator Christos Stylianides says, "By pooling our resources, Europe's efforts make a much bigger difference on the ground. At a moment when the availability of medical evacuations is such a crucial factor for encouraging more medical workers to join the Ebola response, I particularly welcome Luxembourg's leadership on this priority with a contribution of specially equipped planes." In addition, the Commission and the European pharmaceutical industry are boosting European research on the Ebola virus. European Commissioner for Research, Science and Innovation Carlos Moedas says, "The EU is determined to help find a solution to Ebola. We are putting our money where our mouth is and boosting EU research on Ebola with an additional 280 million euros. With this funding from Horizon 2020 and our industry partners, we are stepping up the development of new vaccines and medications to help save lives around the world." Called Ebola Plus program, the Ebola research focuses on vaccines development, clinical trials, storage and transport, and diagnostics and treatments. The first projects are expected to begin in early 2015 and are hoped to deliver results that will cover both the current and future outbreaks. Meanwhile, European commissioners will visit this month Sierra Leone, Liberia, and Guinea to assess the situation and to demonstrate European solidarity with the victims and aid workers on the ground. For Eagle News, Malu Francisco in the Netherlands.